The Stark County man accused of trying to shoot a Canton police officer during a Walmart shoplifting investigation last year appeared in court this morning. A judge found Shane Newman competent to stand trial, but there are still questions about his mental state at the time of the alleged crime. Natalie Clydesdale explains.
This body camera footage from December is hard to forget. You see 21-year-old Shane Newman reach for a gun and aim it at a Canton police officer.
Hey! No!
Newman and a woman were inside a Walmart loss prevention office after authorities say they were suspected of shoplifting.
I told her not to steal, bro. You did it too.
As officers were processing the pair, investigators say Newman pulled out a gun and pointed it right at an officer.
I mean, it's attempted murder.
Newman is now facing nearly a dozen charges, including attempted murder.
Right, do you have Mr. Newman out there?
Part of Thursday's hearing focused on whether Newman is competent to stand trial. After reviewing a psychological evaluation, Stark County Judge Kristin found that he is.
The court finds that at this time, Mr. Newman is capable of understanding the nature and objective of the proceedings against him, and that he is capable of assisting in his own defense.
Jonathan Whitmer-Rich is a law professor at Cleveland State University who was not involved in this case.
And again, the competency is not whether you're guilty or not guilty. It's just really whether the case can go forward or whether something else is going to need to happen, first.
Separately, in March, Newman pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity. Whitmer-Rich says competency and insanity are often confused, but they address two different legal questions.
Competency to stand trial focuses on right now, today. Does the defendant understand what's going on? Whether they're not guilty by reason of insanity instead focuses back at the time that the offense happened. So even though they're two separate issues, it's very common that you might raise both of those arguments.
Today, the judge also ordered a new evaluation to determine whether Newman was, in fact, legally insane at the time of the alleged offense. Once that report is done, the next hearing will be scheduled. Russ.
Okay, Natalie Clydesdale here in the studio. Thank you.